The 1950s called. You're not getting that flying car or holiday home on the moon. You're not even getting a robot butler. But what you can have is a robot vacuum cleaner. Roborock has been producing smart home integrated robot vacs for several years. And the S6 MaxV is the latest, capable of multiple speeds, mopping and object, human and pet detection. It will even spot a poo and clean around it rather than smearing it all over your floor. Nice. I'm Christian from Make Use Of, and my family and I have spent the past fortnight living with the Roborock S6 MaxV. It doesn't mix cocktails, but it does clean the floor when asked, which is more than I do. But does it clean deep enough? Boasting 2000 PA suction, 2.5 hours of battery time to clean an area of up to 2,152 square feet, and a 180 milliliter water tank for mop cleaning of 1,610 square feet, the Roborock S6 MaxV stores multiple room maps. Inside is a compact, removable dirt chamber, big enough that you'll need to empty it every other day, and a cleaning brush with a concealed blade. This is intended for cleaning the Robovac's key peripherals, the removable main brush and a side brush, and it's worth spending 10 minutes maintaining the Roborock S6 MaxV every week. Now, to keep tabs on maintenance, mapping, vacuum modes and everything else, the Roborock S6 MaxV requires a mobile app available for iOS and Android. This lets you control the cleaner, from specifying cleaning zones to marking no-go areas, sending the Roborock S6 MaxV back to base to charge, and even setting a cleaning schedule. Voice integration with Google Home and Alexa lets you control the cleaner, but this is limited to a few stock phrases. You'll also find 3 onboard buttons for power, quick local spot cleans where you place the S6 MaxV in an area that you want cleaning, and a home button to send it back to the dock to charge. All in all, it's a great package with plenty of functionality. But what is it actually like to use? Well, in the box you'll find the Roborock S6 MaxV, a charging dock and a moisture-proof mat. These 2 items feature adhesive strips to keep them positioned on the floor, which should be a hard surface like hardwood, laminate, lino or similar. Also in the box is a 1 meter power cable. The dock should be positioned as close to the electricity socket as possible to avoid accidents. You know, you don't want the cable trailing across the floor, especially if you have small children or pets. A spare filter, mop bracket, mop cloth and the water tank are also in the box, along with a manual for the Roborock S6 MaxV and another for using the app. Our box also featured some fake dog poo. Why? Well, the Roborock S6 MaxV features excellent object detection, good enough to spot messages from your pets. Rather than smear your puppy's latest creative output around the floor, the Roborock S6 MaxV simply works around it, leaving plenty of margin for error. Utilising LiDAR laser detection, the cleaner can also spot shoes, toys, people, and there's a specific pet mode to work around the random actions of cats and dogs while the vac works. Initial results from the Roborock S6 MaxV were good. It took a few goes to map out the main area of our home, and there was some difficulty in getting the no-go zones to save at first, but it all worked out in the end. Vacuuming is impressive. With multiple power options, all kinds of floors can be cleaned. It even detects carpets and increases suction as appropriate. The Roborock S6 MaxV is useless for stairs, of course, thanks to its size, but you can still use it on landings. It has sensors to prevent it disappearing down your staircase, and is also capable of climbing over carpet trims and automatically switching from carpet to hard floors and back again. Now, less impressive is mopping. Setting up the mop is straightforward. You detach the mop cloth, wet, rinse it, reattach it using the hook and loop strips to the bracket, and then you're away. The Roborock S6 MaxV automatically detects if water is in the tank and mops as a result. But the results aren't great. Testing with a spot clean, an antibacterial floor wipe picked up as much dirt straight after as the mop module did. Now this is a minor gripe, however. Repeated mopping and regular vacuuming keeps the floor clean, object, pet and poo detection is excellent, and the scheduling feature makes the Roborock S6 MaxV a great choice. Smart home integration, while basic, is a nice bonus, but ultimately this is an impressive unit that cleans well without running out of steam. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel for tips, tricks and more hardware reviews and giveaways. Competition time, yes, it's competition time. Fancy kicking back and letting your own Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum cleaner take care of your floors? Here's your chance to win your own Roborock S6 MaxV. Just head to the article review and use the competition widget to enter using this special code, Isaac Asimov. The winner will be notified by email. The competition ends in around 3 weeks, so get your entries in today. And good luck!